So we bought a van. I don't have time to talk about it right now, but for now, I went out to the forest a couple days ago and shot some drone footage, and I'll tell you the whole story in a little bit, the why, the how, the what. But for now, you can watch just some drony McDrone pants of this Delica Chamonix. Peace.
Crash into chaos to cope with the end. Scratch out the silence, it's violent again. Swim through the static, fanatic, and losing my focus. I know this could be different. Far away. Why does my faith come in waves? Is my yearning in vain? Oh, could this all fade away? This paper, death and decay. Will I see you someday?
Fun. And the door just shut. Automatic doors. What? That. Come stop. And hopping out.
Shadow the window. The things are all lovely.